What's up, YouTube? So I'm in a brand new Gladiator with 10,000 miles on it, and the customer wants a custom exhaust system. They really did a nice job with the Jeep. I really wish that they would put the window switches in a more convenient location. Like, how about on the doors? Wouldn't that make sense? Like on the doors, instead of reaching all over the place, taking your eyes off the road while you want to put your windows up and down. It's stupid. Like, come on. Come on, Jeep. Seriously, like, the driver actually has to take his eyes off the road to figure out. And then look how cluttered the cluster area is. The information center and your communication center. Very cluttered. So this customer is here for a leveling kit and a custom dual exhaust. So what year is this thing? It's 6 of 22. Deuce. So Jude is going to do the leveling kit, that's just the front. You're going to get back on the Mercedes.
All right.
Because that is just killing us. You know, as I was saying, they did a nice job with the Jeep, but the window switchers are in such a crappy position. Like, every Jeep, you have to take your eyes off the road to adjust your windows, which is stupid.
So you can roll them down when you have your doors off.
How about just unplug them from the door jamb like any other normal car? Make it convenient to unplug them.
Yep.
Instead of inconvenience to roll your windows up and down. I would rather unplug my doors, which Anthony's white Jeep, you have to unplug the doors. Yeah, you still have to unplug the doors anyway, so what's the friggin' difference?
I think it's
Window switches? I mean, Corvette has a little push button for to open a door. Like, two push buttons, one up, one down, like momentaries. Anything would have been better than what you designed for 2022. I hate old technology in new vehicles. It doesn't make any sense. The whole purpose of you buying new is to have new innovation, right? New innovation. So I wonder if we put oversized tires on this. We have these rims, Caleb. No getting high in the shop. So they beefed up the front suspension. Very nice. And he wants dual exhaust. I don't.
Sure they beefed it up and this isn't stock?
Nah, look, I mean, stock beefed up for OEM.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely beefed up for OEM.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger than previous
Yeah, I mean, look,
years.
huge geometry for track bars, and
It's way better than...
it's a way better geometry. Yeah. All right, I don't know what I want to do with this exhaust system. I'm kind of like a 6-cylinder for dual exhaust.